Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, does your headphones EDIFIER STAX S5 support LDAC? This headphones support standard Bluetooth codec, what calls SBC, sorry. And it's available on all Bluetooth devices. Also, this headphone support AC, and if you have iPhone, you will use ANC because Apple devices doesn't support high-resolution audio codecs like LDAC or aptX or LC3. Also, this headphones support high-resolution audio codec like aptX and aptX HD. But you need to check if your phone supports this codec. And yes, this headphone supports LDAC. To prove it for you, we can use developer option to check it and swap between these codecs. So we need to enable it. If you don't know how, at this channel we have video just for your device, so you can check it. After you enter developer option, you can go to the settings, then to the system, and right here we have developer option. You need to find Bluetooth audio codecs here. You can use a search for it, so just write codec. As you can see, it used developer option. Here you just tap on it, and right here we have this codecs, what I just tell you. And right here you can also swap between them by just tap at the best one for you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!